सर आज 2 दिसाची असेंब्ली
तुम्ही जाणा 2 दिसांक कांय जायना कित्याक पयल्या दिसाचे गव्हर्नर एड्रेस आशिल्लो पूण आयज आमी जात तितलें आमी केलें आनी एक ऑन दॅट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इश्यू हांवें स्टार्ट केला. इट वॉज अ प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्यूशन एंड द मिनिस्टर आस्क्ड फॉर पोस्टपोनमेंट एंड दे वर नॉट रेडी बिकॉज many things would have come out and they were knowing it and they couldn't postpone kelo. As far as the Komunidad amendment was concerned, that was a major this thing which I had. तुमकां याद आसतलें ते ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलो तेन्ना सरकारान ऑर्डिनन्स हाडलो तेन्ना हांवें सांगलें दीस ऑर्डिनन्स वील नॉट हेल्प कवर जुवारी लँड पण कितले लोक बेजार जाले चिंतले आय एम फेवरिंग जुवारी. दॅट्स नॉट अ ट्रूथ. I'm not favoring Zuari. I was asking that the amendment should be introduced to stop Zuari from selling the land, stop Zuari from changing the user of the land. And amendment guy, when that ordinance has to be laid before the table of the house. And once it is tabled before the house, within 6 months it has to be tabled. So 6 months time period zata lo cover, so they tabled it before the house. So they bring the same bill normally. They can bring with a modification, but I proposed amendments. Muge amendment kita ashile that even previously granted Komunidad lands should not be allowed to be changed of its use. I कायदो दाखवलो that एक पाटी कोमुनिदाची जमीन तुगे ऑस definitive मेळटा final possession आणि तू 20 times 4 फारी केलो. 4 is annual rent. 20 times एक पार्टी फारी केलो तो एब्सोल्यूट ओनर जाता आणि कोमुनिदाद कसलो रायट ना. सो हांवें सांगलां हांवें जुवारीचे सांगलें की जुवारीचे पयलीं एम्फिथिओसिस दिल्ले आफोरामेंट दिल्लो मागीर एक सेल डीड केलो. सो यू नो वेन अ सेल डीड इज मेड टू बिकम एब्सोल्यूट ओनर ऑफ द लँड देर इज नो नीड ऑफ अ डिस्कशन एंड दॅट इज रिटन इन द जजमेंट. स्टील कोमुनिदाद ऑफ सांकवाल फायल्ड अ सूट. Suit also was dismissed. Went in appeal was dismissed. And 2 judgments against Komunidad of Sankwal saying that Zuari is absolute of the land. Now, last assembly session, Vijay Sardesan and Carlo Tanna and our opposition members had taken up about this Zuari land issue. Chief Minister opposed to that word called Zuari land scam. And Chief Minister made a statement on the floor of the House that we will not allow this land given for industrial purpose to be used for any non-industrial or for housing project. So I wanted to test. You're telling us the truth or you're not telling us the truth? And Chief Minister was dodging it. No, we are only saying Komunidad land. Komunidad land, why was he using this word cunningly? Because that land has already become Zuari land and no longer belonging to Komunidad. So see the play on the words. So he would not be wrong, but I knew where the cat was in the bag. So I dollo dakan sangala na this was Komunidad land given to Zuari. Therefore you need to protect it. But there are many other lands like this which Komunidad has given. Those people are redeemed the 4 become absolute owners, but they are still original Komunidad lands. So therefore, if you need to protect it, my amendment would have protected it. But it was defeated by a division and now we know who stands with whom. But the shocking part of it was that members who were with the Congress party raising this issue from Sankalp Amodkar to even Digambar Kamath today were voting with the government. That is the most humorous part of this. So I think that you understand the scales change, the colors change, and I don't know what else has changed, but today they are supporting exactly what they opposed. In this tenure, I'm not talking last assembly when they were elected. This assembly when I am been elected, and they were asking me to speak about it, and now they are wholeheartedly supporting on the other side exactly what they did contrary last time.
So you have seen the government is trying to run away from all the topics. How the issues will come up?
See, there are some issues which we will definitely take to court. There are some matters which we have to expose the government on the floor of the House. That's our duty. And certain matters which can go to court, we will take to court for sure, that you be sure about it. And whatever they may try to say, whatever clean sheet they may give to anybody, we will make sure that we have to knock the doors of the court, we will do it, because people can't be taken for a ride. And remember, whatever you say on the floor of the house, you are protected. We are privileged. But doesn't mean to say you can disappear and you can run away and you can fool the people. You can fool the people sometimes, but you can't fool the people all the time.
Which are the probable matter which will be taken to the court?
One guaranteed is that the 2 lakh square meters of TV Comunidad. I have discovered fraud after fraud, and we will put it out the moment we file the petition. The last few elements we are getting, but everything is a fraud.
Thank you, sir.